How to invest in Web 3.0. Web 3.0 offers investors different investment vehicles that can cater to different risk appetites. Nevertheless, just like every form of investment, investing in Web 3 is risky and should only be done with adequate research and a good strategy. The most common Web 3 investment options are stocks, cryptos, and NFTs. However, there are also less popular investment methods you can consider, such as angel investing or buying into the ideal initial coin offering of a crypto company. In both methods, you invest in a company by participating in a seed round or buying its coin before launch. One thing to note is that most of Web3 investing is based on narratives, investors spreading the word on what a company is doing to grow the Web3 ecosystem. However, you shouldn't depend on narratives when making decisions. That's because some Web3 influencers push a good narrative about a project to get people to buy into the project, and then they end up dumping the project. Instead, focus on investments with a reasonable historic performance, like these three options.